Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is my review on this Feierdun Olympic Easy Curl Bar. So with this bar, I mainly use it for bicep workouts. So the knurling on it, I'd say it's minor, okay? There is some knurling on it, which I really do like. And obviously you have the wide grip, and then you have the closed grip stances. Now one thing you do have to note about this bar is that the sides are kind of like a turntable, and you'll see what I mean in just a second, but it basically fits standard Olympic size holds. So if we load it up, and then let's barbell clip it on. So now we have it loaded up with weights. You'll see that as I actually curl it, the weights are actually rotating, okay? So this is actually normal for this bar. You'll see that the sides actually rotate. So while you're actually curling, let me actually raise my camera a bit. Okay, so while you're actually curling it, you'll see that my weights actually start to rotate a bit. And that's not so common. Like I know like the commercial gyms that I use, this normally doesn't happen. But it's just something you gotta get used to. And so you actually might hear it squeak sometimes just because the weights are actually rotating. Okay, but I looked it up and that's actually completely normal regarding this bar. But with that being said, I'd say the knurling is pretty good. It fits all my Olympic standard size holes. And it's just a nice, easy curl bar when it comes to actually curling on a wide or narrow grip stance. But yeah, if you're in the market for a easy curl bar, definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. I love how like it's a black color as well, or a darker color, instead of that standard silverish color. So the ends are pretty silver, and then the middle is actually a black bar. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.